Hey, what's up guys? I'm here with another episode of Best Android Apps for this month. If you have not been through my previous episode, the link to it is in the description. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first app in my list is Digical. Digical is another great way to experience calendar. Digical comes with a very simple user interface. It lets you create and manage your events, reminders, etc. Once you start this app, you get a very simple month's view with the highlights showing you the number of events on that day. The UI here is very simple and is almost like the stock Google Calendar. If you have a single event, you get a single overline on that day. And if you have two or more events, you get the overlines accordingly. Tapping on the drop-down menu from above, you can change the calendar's view in Days View, Weeks View, Week Agenda, and so on. You can also check the weather right from this app, which is a very cool add-on, as you can check weather and create or manage your events based on that weather. Tap on the calendar icon to jump to today, add button to add events on the selected day. While creating events, you can give title, locations, change the color of the event, change the date and time, time reason, set reminders, add notes, and so on. You can tap on the options to view the calendars that are synced on this app. You can also add any accounts having your events, plus you can search through your events. Go to any particular date and you can go to preferences to change the theme of this calendar. Here you have got dark and light theme for your calendars. View your language, notifications, date and time, and so on. You also get a widget with this app. So the widgets here really helps you to browse through the day, events, and scroll down to get a glance of the whole month. So a very handy app. The next app on my list is the Yahoo Weather. Yahoo Weather is another stylish weather app, spatially due to its background image. Apart from the weather details that all the weather app provides, this app pulls images from Flickr according to your location, time, and the weather condition. So this is the best feature that this app provides. Once you start this app, you get a very cool background based on current weather and time. Below that, you have got information about cloud and temperature. You can slide left to view weather information of the saved cities and tap on this add button to add multiple cities. Slide down for detailed information about the weather, and you also can go through the forecast, details, map, wind and pressure, sun and moon, and so on. If you tap on the options or slide right, you get options to edit locations, jump to current location, etc. Here you have settings from where you can do the setup for this app, like changing the unit, retrieve photos on Wi-Fi only, and so on. So with this app, you get a variety of widgets. You can choose from a simple weather widget or choose a stylish weather clock widget with different sizes. The next one here is the Cross DJ. Cross DJ is the best music app that allows you to mix, loop, and create awesome songs right out of your phone. You can add your own songs from your library and mix them. You also can edit them, add effects, and even record your mixings. So if you are a DJ or you love mixing, this app is just perfect for you. Once you start this app, you get a normal layout like that of the physical mixer. You get similar two decks where you can add two different songs from your library and mix them. To add songs on either of the decks, simply tap on the deck and choose song from your library. Swipe right to browse through playlist or swipe left to browse through albums, artists, genres, or your own mixes. Add a song, and as you can see, the song is loaded on the deck. So let's add another song on the another deck. There you see. Now I have two songs loaded on two decks. I can add the song on queue, play either of the decks, sync the songs, or adjust the volume of the decks by sliding this slider. Okay, so here check a sample. At the top, you have information about the song, the time remaining on the songs, and the graph showing you pitch levels of the songs. Below that, you have three different tabs for loop, equalizer, and add effect options to add different effects like bifilter, low pass, and high pass. On settings, you have options for advanced settings, record, auto mix, adjust the master volume, and adjust the volume of the decks. On advanced settings, you can edit the end warning time, pitch bend amount, sync mode, record quality, and fade quality. So a lot of professional settings over here. So not for the noobs. So with this app, you get a very professional mixing app right on your phone. Very handy for DJs and if you like mixing or creating your own music. The next one here is the Groopic. Groopic is a photo taking app that allows you to take normal photos or group photos. A coolest add-on on this app is that while taking group photos, you will not miss anyone on the photos, which means you can take several pictures and combine them to add peoples on the picture. Launch this app and here you get an option to take a picture, go to gallery, tutorial option to learn how to use this app, unlock full version, etc. So let's go ahead and take a picture. As you can see, we get a camera interface with options for flash and image mode. The camera icon here lets you take pictures and the home icon takes you back to the home screen. On image mode, normal mode will allow you to take normal photos, whereas merged mode will allow you to take group photos. So let's choose merged and let's take a picture. As you can see, you can take two different pictures and on either of the pictures you take, you can add objects or people. After taking two pictures, you can select the one that have all your objects or people on the picture. So here is the final image and unlock the full version to save and share them. So a unique photo taking app. The next one here is the TaoMix. TaoMix is a music app that lets you create your own music. You can add different sound category and create your own music and save it to use it as a ringtone, alarm tone, and so on. Once you start this app, you get an empty screen where you can add different music. To add music, tap and hold on the empty part and select a sound category. You also can tap the options and tap on add button to add music. Select a category and as you can see, you can select all music by unlocking the full version of this app. So let's add the one that's free. There you go. As you can hear, the music is playing according to the selected category. Now let's add more categories and as you can see, as I move the slider close to the music circle, the effect of the music grows louder and deeper. And if I tap and hold on the music circle, I can increase or decrease the effect of the music. To auto-adjust the music and the effects, simply tap and hold on the slider. Drag it towards the music circle and let go. Now you can see that the slider goes on the release direction and starts to bounce across the screen and create the music and effects on its own. Let's move on to options. At the top, we have this power button to start or stop the music playback. We have this slider here to adjust the time of your recording, import the music or save the music, add different music, replace the music circles, etc. You can delete all the music circles by tapping here. And if you have problems using this app, you can go on to help. So a great music making application. The next app here is the BlurOne. In simple words, this app gives the blur effect on any picture you want. Launch this app and here you have option to create a wallpaper. And from this menu, you can choose any image from your gallery or you can use the current wallpaper and adjust the blur effect using this circle, as you can see here. Once done, you can save it and use this image as a wallpaper. You can try this effect on any picture you want, and this app is kinda cool for abstract images and using that image as a wallpaper. The next one here is the all-in-one toolbox. The name of the app itself is self-explanatory. This app offers a lot of features with its built-in tools. Once you launch this app, on top you have three different options: Info, Process, and Tools. On the Info tab, we have memory info like RAM, SD card, etc. Battery info, you also can download the Battery Booster app from the Play Store, which works great. Network info, etc. So here you have this quick boot option. Just tap on it and it quickly frees up your RAM and kills all the background running apps. Next, we have Process. This tab shows all the running apps and services. Over here you can just select the apps that you want to kill and tap Kill Selected. Next tab is the Tools tab. This is what makes this app different from rest of the memory boosting apps. Here you have got System Cleaner to clear all your cache, history, call SMS cleaner, SD card cleaner, etc. Package Manager is for backup and restoring apps on your phone, as well as if your device supports apps to SD, that is sending app to the SD card, this app also does that. Next is General. From here you can add any apps to add to startup so that the app will automatically run once your device is turned on. And Boot Speed Up is to remove apps from the startup. If you feel your phone is lagging, just remove unwanted apps from the startup menu. Last but not the least, this app also supports its own plugins like Ad Detect plugin, which will block almost all the annoying ads, App Lock plugin to lock any app you want, and many more. So a great all-in-one tool app. The next one here is the SwypePad. This app is great for multitasking or say launching your favorite apps using the school user interface. You can do additional setup for this app. I will come to it in a moment. First, let me just show you how this app exactly works. So from this highlighted area, you can launch your SwypePad interface from where you can launch all your favorite apps. You also can add additional apps, shortcuts, widgets on these blank portals. Drag the circle to a black portal and leave it. And here you will be getting option whether you want to add a folder, shortcut, widgets, etc. Another cool feature about this app is that you also can set your app drawer, home, etc. on this SwypePad. So this is very handy if you are running CyanogenMod based or AOSP based ROMs with extended desktop where you don't get the navigation keys. If you want to edit these shortcuts, you can just drag the circle on the shortcut and keep it holding until the icon turns yellow. Now you can replace that shortcut with any other apps or widget you want. You also can customize this app, so let's move on to this app. From the pad menu, you can rearrange the shortcuts. To add additional portals, you need to get the full version. From hotspot, you can change the location for launching the SwypePad. From look and feel, you can change the icon pack, theme, level position, sound on launch, etc. Apart from that, you don't have additional features with the free version. So guys, it's a great way to launch your favorite apps very quickly. The next one here is the Viral. Basically, this is a floating YouTube player. That means now you can watch YouTube videos while using your phone. From the Viral app itself, you can browse through all the YouTube videos. Else you can use the YouTube app to watch any video you want. So let me just launch my YouTube app and launch a video. Once the video is loaded, hit the share button and select Viral. And there you go guys, you get this floating YouTube player. Now you can watch your YouTube videos and talk to a friend on Facebook, check your notifications, emails, etc. You also have the option to resize the video player and go back to the full screen as well. Change the video quality, seek the video, etc. So a great app if you watch a lot of videos on YouTube and you do not need to close your YouTube app just to do your other stuff on your phone. The last app for this episode is tTorrent. tTorrent is the best torrent app for your Android device with all the necessary features that you have on the desktop version, like setting the download and upload limit, adding torrents on queue, etc. With this app, you also get this Wi-Fi only mode that will download torrent files via Wi-Fi only and is very useful if you use your mobile data. This app is very stable and you can download from multiple torrents at once. I have thoroughly used this app and I guarantee that this is the best torrent client for your Android device. So that's all for this video guys, that's a wrap, and in my next episode I will be coming out with the top 10 must-have Android apps, very useful apps. Some of the apps are old but I have made a list of top 10 very important apps for all the users out there, all the Android users out there. So stay tuned for that video and you guys have a great day.